All right, this probably isn't tall enough. Can you hear me? Hey guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. It's legitimately a welcome back because I know I've been gone for a little bit. I took a little bit of a January hiatus, but it's February. We are going hard. I'm ready. So today I'm going to be making one of my favorite cookies. My favorite cookie of all time is always going to be chocolate chip cookies, but right behind that is Snickerdoodle. I love me some Snickerdoodle cookies. So that's what I'm going to be making today. I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to be using for the ingredients. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using today. So this is about 1 cup and 6 tablespoons of flour, about 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, a half a cup and 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, about 2.5 tablespoons of my dark brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla, about a teaspoon of my baking powder, and then lastly my cinnamon sugar. So I have about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. And that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna just start off mixing my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna put in my flour, my baking powder, my cinnamon. I also forgot to mention in my ingredients salt, just a little bit. And this is sea salt, or kosher salt, one of those. So I'm gonna just put just a little because the grains are a little bit bigger. That should be good. And I'm just gonna mix those together real quick. All right, and then I'm gonna put these to the side, and then let me go ahead and get my sugar and my butter and my eggs, and we're gonna mix that together. Okay, so I put my dry ingredients to the side. Let's go ahead and put in our sugars, then our butter. It needs to be room temperature. I get a little lazy and a little forgetful, and I forget to leave it out overnight. So I just put these in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then let them cool off a little bit before I use them. Y'all like my Stranger Things tea? I don't know, I just feel a little Hawkins today, so I was like, let me just go ahead and I might just rewatch the whole series today, who knows. So let me just go ahead, I'm talking too much, and beat together my sugars and my butter. And then once that's cream, I'm gonna add the eggs and the vanilla in one by one. So I'm just gonna start off with my egg. I left this out to be room temperature too, just cause. And then I'm gonna add my little bit of vanilla. I really don't measure it out too much. I think that should be good, a teaspoon. Yeah, that should be good. And then it should look a little something like this. And then it should look a little something like this. What song is that? It should look a little something like this. Oh no, that's Run Up. And it'll go a little something like this. Is that what I'm thinking of? Okay, give me 1 second. So this is our wet ingredients with our butters, our sugars, our egg, and our vanilla. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. Little Stacy was 11 years old, trying to figure out why the world is so. You know how traumatic that song was? I'm like 10 years old, just like. Anyways, so that is our batter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some saran wrap on top and pop it in the freezer for about 15 minutes, just so that it's easier to work with when we put it on our baking sheet, so that we can roll it up in some balls. And also I find that it just makes it a little bit more fluffier, a little bit more tall when you chill them for a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes or so, and then we're gonna pop these things in the oven. Oh no, we're not. We're gonna come back, we're gonna roll this in some cinnamon sugar, then we're gonna pop it in the oven. I'll see y'all in a second. So you know I had to bring you guys in closer for a second because we're about to be playing with the cookie dough. So ideally you would like to line this with parchment paper. I don't have any, so I'm just gonna spray it with some Pam, just because when it comes with like sugar cookies and snickerdoodle cookies, you don't want the bottom of it to burn too much, but what is it? You do dealt with. You live with the, I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this. Ah! Word. Just gonna take an ice cream scoopful, roll it around in a ball. Take my cinnamon sugar, roll it around, and boom. Easy peasy. So these are the cookies rolled up in their cinnamon sugar. Now they're just ready to be placed in the oven. I've had it preset on 350. I'm gonna put these in the oven starting around 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna check on it, make sure they're looking good, and then we're gonna bring them back, and then we're gonna try them, and they're gonna be so good, and then I'm just so excited. I need to relax. I'll see you guys in a minute, or 10, or 12. We'll see. Okay, I'll see you guys in a second. So these are my snickerdoodle cookies. Just look how tall and thick and fluffy and soft it is. Hold on, we gotta get a up close and personal shot of this. Can you see that? Hold on. Ooh, look how delicious. Oh, is you ready? That's probably one of the best sugar cookies I've ever made. That's really good. And I really think putting it in the freezer really does make a world of difference. Because just look how tall and look at this. Look at this. It's just soft and it's, oh, I cannot. This is so good. I'm so happy. So these are my these are my snickerdoodle cookies. Just short and sweet. I just want to get back up here. I want to get going. I'm ready to just crank out videos. I got in here today and I just felt at home, so I'm excited. So yeah, So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Maybe I'll see you next week. No later than the week after. You gotta hold me accountable, okay? So we're here, we're doing it. I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys next video. See ya.